Hello, my dear students. Today, our topic is my body. Here in this topic, we will know about kinds of joints. We know that there are different types of joints found in our body. Here in this video, we will discuss about movable joints. Before going to the topic movable joints, let's know about what is joint. A joint is a place where two or more bones meet. Joints may be movable, immovable, or slightly movable. Now, first about movable joints. Movable joints, the main joints of the body, such as those found at the hip, shoulders, elbows, knees, wrists, and ankles, are freely movable. They are filled with synovial fluid found in the cavities of the synovial joints, which act as a lubricant to help the joints move easily. Now, what is synovial joint? A synovial joint is the type of joint found between bones that move against each other. It has a joint cavity filled with fluid. Next is about immovable joints. Immovable joints are fixed and no movement is possible. For example, the bones of the skull are fused and interlocked and so no movement. Some joints are slightly movable or partially movable. Next is about different types of movable joints. First one is hinge joint. Hinge joints are a type of joint that functions much like the hinge on a door, allowing bones to move in one direction, back and forth with limited motion along other planes. The fingers, toes, elbows, knees, and ankles contain hinge joints. Next is about ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint is a movable joint. In this, a bone with round head fits into the hollow space of another bone. This makes the bone to rotate freely. For example, bones of the hip and shoulder can move in all directions due to ball and socket joints. Now more about ball and socket joint. Hip joint, where the rounded head of the femur ball rests in the cup-like acetabulum, that is socket, of the pelvis. Shoulder joints. Shoulder joints where the rounded head of the humerus ball-like rests in the cup-like glenoid fossa, that is socket-like, of the shoulder blade. Now we will know about pivot joint. Pivot joints allow for rotation, twisting, extension, and flexibility. This is the joint where our neck joins head and allow the movement of forward, backward, left and right direction. It is moreover like a cylindrical bone moving in a ring. Next, we will know about gliding joint. A gliding joint, also known as a plane joint or planar joint, is a common type of synovial joint found between bones that meet at flat or nearly flat articular surfaces. Gliding joints allow the bones to glide past one another in any direction along the plane of the joint, up and down, left and right, and diagonally. So this is all about movable joints. Gliding joints is present in wrist, ankle, and any two vertebrae of the spine. Our backbone is flexible and we are able to bend forward or backward or sideways owing to the presence of the gliding joint in the vertebrae. Now we know that we have learnt about different types of joints, namely the movable joints. Movable joints are of four types: ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot, and gliding joint. Hinge joints can move up and down or backward and forward like door hinges, examples knees and elbow. Pivot joint connects the skull and spine. It allows the head to rotate and also move it upward and downwards. Ball and socket joints Here, one of the bones ends in a ball that fits into a hole in the other bone. Example, femur and upper arm bone. Gliding joints. Wrists and ankles have gliding joints or sliding joints. This allows to move hand and foot from side to side as well as backwards and forwards. Some joints are immovable. An immovable joint is found in skull. It protects the brain. Some joints are partially movable, found in the vertebrae between the ribs and breastbone, and provides limited movement of the backbone. Also allows chest to expand while breathing. So this is all about all the different types of joints. Thank you everyone.